I'm Mark Lambert and here we are on my farm on Sunnyside, Tasmania. We're an organic regenerative farm milking 520 cows. So I'll get asked why we do deferred grazing a fair bit, so I thought I'd go through the answer for that. So here we are in a hay paddock, recently cut, probably going to be baled in 2 days time, but just over the fence here. So this has been 78 days since this got grazed, and we'll be grazing it in March. We're in early January at the moment, so that's about another 60 days from now, 70 days. So 160 days, something like that, this will be grazed in. It'll be eaten down to probably 75% eaten, and we'll top the rest, mulch it into the ground, and then we'll be back in here in the middle of winter, probably about 120 days after that. Why do we defer graze? Well, it's part of how we farm organically and regeneratively. Removing hay or silage is hard on the paddocks, and over time their productivity declines. Our costs are reduced by cutting less hay, and the standing hay lasts for at least 180 days. It is then fed off after the dairy cows are dry, when they don't require top quality feed and need more roughage. Rather than cutting all our hay, we leave about 25% of the shortest hay as standing hay. This gives us a feed buffer for our bulls and 2-year-olds to commence the long rotation needed through our Tassie dryish summers. Also, plants like red clover, chicory and plantain love longer rotations, and this gives them a chance to reseed and rejuvenate the pasture.